I don't know. I don't know if I'll be able to recover it.
Please check it on the map.
20-mile-an-hour wind. But we're going to try.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
This ain't good. This wind is blowing big time. 20-mile-an-hour wind. So this is Anderson Island here. I've never taken you guys to it. Gonna try. Used to camp here a lot. All right, I'm gonna adjust my trig. So anyways, this is Anderson Island. I just wanted to show you guys what a nice beach looks like. I've camped here many a times. There was once I camped here, I think there was 50 tents on this island. So anyways, we're gonna head back to the boat. I'm worried about landing in this wind. So we're gonna go over to that beach in a little bit. I probably should have beached it before. Really shallow where they're at. Look, full speed in a 20-mile-an-hour wind, most I can get up to is 15 mile an hour. I just will not handle this wind. Full throttle, 10 mile an hour. Now,
Landing.
Ah, man, that's the worst crash I ever had. Okay, guys, I wanted to show you something. For those people flying drones over people, there's a reason they're illegal. Look what happened. It sliced through the vinyl in the boat. Sliced through it. Just like it wasn't even, just like taking a knife. Oh yeah, that's the first impact right there. And right here, look at that. Sliced right through it. And I'm telling you, this vinyl is tougher than my skin. I know I'm getting old and I cut easy, but look at that.